Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 11. This is Section 2.4, Problem 11. It says multiply the fractions. We have 3 times 2 over 7. So to get this rolling, we really have to change how the 3 is written. To multiply fractions, I really want to do top times top, bottom times bottom, but because the 3 is a whole number, it doesn't really have a top and a bottom, or numerator and denominator is a more correct term. So any whole number can be written as a fraction by just putting a 1 under it. So that 3 can be written as 3 over 1. The 2/7 can be left the way it is, and now I can multiply. So top times top, or numerator times numerator, is 3 times 2, which is 6. And then bottom times bottom, 1 times 7, is 7. And the answer is 6 over 7. And again, you want to check to see if that can be reduced, and the answer is it cannot be reduced. So 6 over 7 is the final answer.